Hello, I'm Dr. Trawick, the General Dermatologist and Managing Partner at May River Dermatology.
Hello, I'm Dr. Dale Saradet, one of the Mohs surgeons here at May River Dermatology.
We want to take a minute to talk to all of our patients about what we're doing to manage the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic on our practice here at May River Dermatology. As I'm sure you all remember, Governor McMaster declared a state of emergency on March 13th, which led to the subsequent closing of all public schools and the eventual closing of all non-essential businesses.
Here at May River Dermatology, we responded by reviewing all guidelines available from the South Carolina Department of Health, the American Academy of Dermatology, and the American College of Mohs Surgery. This led us to cancel all non-emergent patient visits and surgical procedures starting on March 23rd. Since that time, we have been working diligently to make sure our offices are a safe environment in which to provide care for our patients while remaining in compliance with all recommended preventative measures.
As I'm sure you can understand, this has meant that we have had to cancel a great number of patient visits. Thus, with valiant effort by our administrative and medical staff, our first efforts were to quickly ramp up our ability to provide virtual visits to our patients, which we've been doing since late March, as a way to continue to provide care for our patients in greatest need. And we want to thank all of you for your great efforts and cooperation in this endeavor. We then undertook work involved in adjusting our office space and procedures, allowing us to provide face-to-face care in a way that minimizes the risk of transmission of the highly contagious COVID-19 virus. This has been a very complex process and sometimes a moving target, as recommendations and guidelines have changed throughout the progression of the pandemic.
We are happy to say that we are now ready to move back toward more face-to-face visits with our patients. And we want to assure you that we are doing everything possible to do this in a manner that minimizes the risk of our care transmitting COVID-19 virus to any of our patients, as well as our patients transmitting the COVID-19 virus to our staff.
We also continue to ask for your help in being patient as we adjust weekly to the needs of patients as well as our ever-changing regulatory guidelines. There will continue to be a need to reschedule patients as we move forward. This will be in order to appropriate social distancing and virus-free care while also working to see as many patients that were canceled early on during the pandemic.
All of our staff and physicians here at May River Dermatology are proud to provide care to our patients here in the Low Country. We've worked through the pandemic to do this in the safest possible way, and we want to assure you that we will continue to do so. We sincerely thank all of you for your patience and understanding through the process, and we assure you that we will get back to a more normal setting as soon as safely possible.
At May River Dermatology, we know that we're all in this together.